Hey everybody, Tony English once again. I am standing here so humbled. I had 182 votes for the HOA, so I'm really happy. I'm excited that we're going to be able to get everything straightened out on the board there. We have great members now. We have Christopher and Rachel and me and Brian Moshenko and Cami. And so we're going to make this place a lot more friendly, and we're going to correct some of the things that were going wrong. And so it's really exciting, and we're all on the same page as far as all the issues. So, what I wanted to do was thank everybody so much for supporting me. I can't believe I got so many votes. It's so awesome, and I promise to do the very best we can for you. What I'd like to do is get people to join my Facebook page, the Rolling Hills Facebook page, so we can have a conversation. And I'm also going to be doing videos about what's happening at the board so that everybody can stay in touch. Even if they're vaguely interested, they can watch a 90-second video and stay in touch with what's going on. And if you ever have any issues with the board or any of the committees or anything, give me a call. Also, we're looking for people to join the committee. So if you'd like to volunteer, and on the architectural committee or the landscape or whatever, give us a call because we could always use the help. All right. Thank you again so much. I'm so humbled. Here's a video of the the vote. Thanks. Bye.
So, sounds good. Yeah. Hi guys, so I finished the counting. So the three directors that have been elected, serve on a 2-year term, are Tony English with 182 votes, Jalal Fala, Cami Fala with 73, and Brian Moshenko with 83.
Can we have all the counts on the rest, please?
Yes, sir. So for Shashi, 69. Allison Engel, 67. Tony English, 182. Jalal Kami Fala, 73. Brian Wishenko, 83. There was no received, void, or blank ballots at this time.
Okay, Marty, there was a question regarding from the candidates to have the